This is Jayaprakash, JP, and I'm going to speak about our upcoming workshop called Build Quality In, which is going to be facilitated in Agile Visa conference called Themes and Framework Agnostic Conference on July 7th. So this workshop, as the name says, Build Quality In, it is about a lean principle called Build Quality In, and it simply means three things. One is mistake-proof your process. Second, integrate early and often. And third, no tolerance for defects. So we have designed a game, and the game is about designing another game. And the participants will go through the entire process of discovering what the needs of the game are and then building it and delivering it. And throughout the process, we're going to talk about how to do build quality at every stage. In fact, build quality is also another concept similar to agile testing, if you heard about that, which is about more of prevention of defects than curing it later. So in the real implementation of build quality in let's say in software engineering or product development, the challenge lies in how do we do all these three things together. And in this workshop, we have designed in such a way that you will get to practice and learn how to do build quality in at every stage, starting from discovery to delivery. And hopefully you will also pick up a lot of agile testing concept. And this workshop will be facilitated by myself and my colleague and my friend called Manish, who is also a co-facilitator, and he is also an enterprise agile coach. And we both would be bringing an exciting session for you, which is more learning and joyful. Okay, so looking forward to meet you all in the conference on July 7th. Thank you.